Welcome. In front of me I have ALCATEL 1S 2020, and today I will show you how you can take screenshot without using physical keys. So at the first you have to go for the settings. Next you have to go below until you find the button and gestures. Go for the gestures, and then you have to enable switcher from 3-finger screenshot feature. Right now open the screen that you want to capture, for example the home screen, and then you have to swipe with your fingers like that. Okay, let's try another time. Okay, as you can see, honestly I use a lot of smartphone with this gesture, but in the ALCATEL 1S 2020 it works really terrible. You have to try for a few times until you get it, so I don't know, it's that good. Maybe it's better to take a screenshot with physical keys. Okay, right now it works every time, but as you can see I just make the same gestures and right now it's not working. So yeah, you can take it, but you have to get used to it that it's not working always. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.